Welcome back to the vlogs. This is the beginning of my New York City vlog. We are finally making a trip and we are heading to New York City / Brooklyn specifically because one of my closest friends is getting married on Saturday. So today's Thursday, my packing day, and then Friday we're driving in. Hopefully arriving around 5, doing a little bit of like dinner and then meeting up with my aunt and uncle who live there. And then Saturday is like all wedding day. Maybe Sunday we'll get a little bit more time to explore and hang out, but that's it. It's a really short trip. I'm only bringing Jack because like there's just like not enough room at the wedding to like bring the older boys. So if the older boys came, then like I wouldn't be able to go to the wedding. So they are staying home with grandma. This is gonna be my first time like going on a trip outside of the country, like a 2-night stay without them. So I'm a little bit nervous, but also like I know they're gonna have so much fun with grandma. She's so excited and I'm so excited for them. Like it's just gonna be like a different experience. But yeah, so it's gonna be a long drive. It's like about a 9-hour drive depending on traffic and like how the border is. So fingers crossed it goes smoothly and we can be in the city before like 5, because I have a reservation at 6:45 and I need to pump before that. And anyways, just everything's gonna be very like tight like for the next 3 days. I haven't started packing because I've had a really busy work week as well, but I really have to get going on it because today's last day. And traveling while you're exclusively pumping with a 2.5-month-old, there's so much stuff you need to bring. Like my list is just insane.
Never understood a word they said.
Okay, so I had to charge the camera and it was overheating, so we took a break. I gathered some more stuff. I'm working on Jack's outfits now. I actually finally found our carriers. I'm bringing the bigger ones. This is Travis's and this is my bigger one. I think we are going to move on up to the big one for me because I'll probably be carrying Jack when he's wearing like a winter bunting, so he'll be bigger. So we're going to be bringing this one. This was my favorite one with the other two boys when they got big. Ergo Baby, I think, make the best carriers. Baby Bjorn's pretty close, which is the one that Travis has. I just find that this one has thicker straps, wider straps, and it's not as comfy for me, but he likes it because obviously he's got bigger shoulders. And then I found this guy, which wraps around the carrier. So we can keep him warm if my jacket doesn't wrap all the way around him. And we have Jack over here, not helping with packing, but playing with himself and looking at his little whales and the one rooster that Dad contrapted / tied onto his mobile. This mobile is from Pear, so is his bed sheets. But this rooster is actually one of Luca's. They just love it. They think it's hilarious, so Travis tied it onto Jack's mobile. It goes, usually makes a sound. Right, let's see if I can get it to go. Oh no, Mommy unraveled it. Okay, this is what we have so far. 2 pairs of jeans, my Citizens of Humanity ones that are getting too big, but we're gonna do the button trick. My Topshop ones, and then my new belt from Deshanche. I think that's how you say it. And these are the 2 dresses, the Cecily Banson and the teal silk Banana Republic one, Jenny Bird collar. Sweaters, we're going with my brushed cashmere J. Crew, and then these 2 thinner cardigans from Unsubscribed. They're just super versatile, so I'm gonna bring these 3. These are Jack's outfits. Let's see, so we have striped sweater, beige pants, oh my god, and this little like bonnet, how cute. Okay, so striped pant look. And then this is just like an undershirt, but this is the look, the Christmas sweater with the red pants look, and then a black Gap tracksuit. All right, we have Mr. Jack sitting up and joining us. We didn't want to be in our crib anymore. So what else do we have? We have 3 white shirts, all different shades of white. My Skims ribbed PJs, they're my favorite. A little cashmere blanket for Jack. Oh, and I also have these little wool booties that I'll probably slip on him if he's not wearing his Uggs. Then some little socks. And then we also have some onesies, but they are in the wash right now, so we're gonna add that. Okay, what time is it? Okay, so it's 2:20. I think I have like another good hour before I need to go start getting the boys and pack their snacks. So I need to go through. Then we're gonna do makeup and skincare now. Okay, I just got this really cute bag from Zara. I love this color and these little flower prints. So I'm gonna pack the Say Glowy Super Gel, Hourglass Tinted Moisturizer, the Hourglass Veil. Haven't decided if I'm gonna do a red lip, so we're gonna bring these. My Merit Blush, Kosas Airbrow, another liner, and my favorite setting spray from Ilia. I just got this, so I'm gonna bring it, I think, to try. Oh, that is so pretty. And then these brushes. Glossy Bounce by Say. I'm also gonna bring my bean necklace from Tiffany's. I actually forgot about his new little Zara outfits. So this is a panda matching set. How cute. And then there's like this linen top, which I think he'll have to wear to the wedding now because his little tux suit jacket didn't arrive in time. It's delayed. So like this little green overall situation with a green cardigan. Okay, we grabbed some food for dinner and we are gonna go pick up the boys now, but I wanted to update you because I forgot to say that one of the things that I did to prep for our trip to New York is get new winter snow tires. And luckily enough, Michelin gifted me some. I am really, really excited about them. I've been driving with them for about a week now. We just got like a lot of snow and it's slushy and icy on the roads, and so I've been able to test them out. They feel so good. So we have a huge car. We upgraded to a bigger car when we found out we were having Jack because we have 3 car seats, and so we have like a super long car, a wider car now, and so I needed bigger tires because the wheel, like the rims, are bigger. And I'm super excited about these. Michelin has this tread technology where like instead of the treads getting like worn out super quickly, it's actually like adaptive to the kind of wear and tear that the tires get on the road, so they prolong the service life and like life in general of the tires, so you don't have to change them over as much because tires are so expensive, especially when they're this big. So I'm super excited to see how long they last and see how many winters we can get through with these. Plus it makes fuel efficiency better, and because we're driving for such a long time, obviously as much money as we can save on gas is great. But yeah, Jack is starting to fuss, so I'm gonna start driving and hopefully he'll calm down and probably catch up in the morning when we do head to New York because it will be a busy night.
Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me. I'm trying to make it up for my mistakes, but everywhere I turn, some hearts will break. Something, someone will end up getting hurt again. But there's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me. You used to say that I was great, but I made too many mistakes. Your heart will break because of me. But I just want you. I just want you to stay. Why don't you stay? Oh, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Why don't you stay? Please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man.
Good morning, it is Saturday and I'm about to head down to meet Olivia for her hair and makeup appointment. But we're gonna grab some coffee and breakfast first because I am starving / I am exhausted. Shouldn't have stayed out that late. I am back. I just got changed. It is kind of hard for me to show you the entire look. I'm gonna try to find like a full length mirror, or maybe Travis will help me get a full look later, but essentially it's this like beautiful teal colored silk maxi, and I'm doing silver jewelry and obviously really simple makeup. The room is a mess. Traveling with a newborn, I literally have pumping stuff everywhere, baby stuff everywhere, but I am rushing back to Olivia's room now so that I could help her get dressed into her wedding dress.